How to use Instagram Notes for quick updates and engagement. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to update your followers and boost engagement on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today we're going to talk about Instagram Notes and how you can use this feature to share quick updates and connect with your audience. Let's dive in. So, Instagram Notes is a feature that allows you to share short text updates with your followers. Think of it as a mini status update, almost like a text post, but it's designed for quick engagement. It's a great way to keep your followers in the loop with what's happening in your world. One of the cool things about Notes is that it appears at the top of your direct messages feed, so it's easy for your followers to see. It's not buried in the main feed or hidden in stories. This makes it a perfect way for personal updates, behind-the-scenes looks, or asking questions to engage your followers. Alright, let me show you how to create an Instagram note. First, open up your Instagram app and swipe to the Direct Messages tab. At the top, you'll see your profile icon with a plus symbol next to it. Tap that, and you'll enter the Notes section. Now you can type your note. Instagram Notes allows you to write up to 60 characters, so keep it short and sweet. You can use it to share an update like, "I'm going live at 3 p.m." or ask something like, "What's your favorite content to see on my page?" It's a fun and casual way to connect. While you're typing your note, you can also add emojis to make it more eye-catching or add personality to your update. This is your space to be creative and engage with your followers in a relaxed way. Once you've written your note, just hit share, and it'll show up at the top of your followers' direct message inbox. They can then tap on it to read it and respond if they want to engage with you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Instagram tips and tricks. Also, let me know in the comments if you've used Instagram Notes before and how it's helped you connect with your followers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.